Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we're looking at 109, and we are careful as we look at this one of 109 of the accelerators that we are not letting our E's turn into E flats or no man's land where it's not an E and not an E flat. And so we don't want that's E flat, E not quite flat or natural. We want to make sure we're in a good second position. As you go out, it's really easy for the flat notes, the E's and the D's to get further out than they should be. And as you're coming in, it's easier for those sharp notes to become pulled in further. So really watch your tuning on these E's. And 109. Oh, I'm going to use the proper articulation. There's a little sharp on that E, so I'm overcompensating for the second position. And I'll start again. Right. So that was for demonstration purposes. Now I'm going to play it actually making sure I'm paying full attention to everything and not thinking about what kids, young, newer players might be looking for. Alright, so if you're playing song 109, watch your E naturals. I felt the natural tendency, natural, to go to E flats in the second line, which would have been wrong. And I did not do that, but that third position E flat was right there. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.